A place I visited during my school vacation. We visited Sigiriya. We had so much fun traveling by train. It was truly a memorable journey. I am excited to talk about Sigiriya because it is my favorite place. Sigiriya is a magnificent creation built by King Kashyapa. It is not just a rock, it is a rock fortress. King Kashyapa built his palace on top of this massive rock to protect himself from his brother. As a matter of fact, it served as both a palace and a fortress. Sigiriya is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, making it both historically significant and breathtakingly beautiful. One of its key features is the Lion Gate, which is an iconic part of this rock. Thousands of people visit Sigiriya each year to admire its beauty and learn about its history. When we visited Sigiriya, we saw many fascinating features, including the Mirror Wall, the Water Gardens, the Lion Gate, and some mysterious caves. The walls of the rock are covered with ancient inscriptions and paintings, which are both artistic and historical treasures. Although the rock itself is a natural formation, it is considered a great gift of Mother Nature, enhanced by the creativity of humans. There are many historical artifacts and sites to explore around Sigiriya, and it is no surprise that tourists from all over the world are drawn to this place. The walls of the rock are covered with ancient inscriptions and paintings, which are both artistic and historical treasures. We were rewarded with a breathtaking view of the entire surrounding area. Formation. It is considered a great unforgettable experience, enhanced by the creativity of humans. And the tourist season. There were many visitors artifacts and sites to explore around Sigiriya. We took lots of photos to remember this wonderful trip. Tourists from all over the world are drawn to this place. To see that some people do not respect the walls of the rock are covered with ancient inscriptions and paintings. They damage its beauty which are both artistic and historical treasures. It is our responsibility to protect such historical places. It is considered a great gift of Mother Nature. If we fail to do so, they may never have the chance to appreciate or learn about these artifacts and sites to explore around was an unforgettable experience. And it is no surprise I will cherish the memories all over the world are drawn to this place. The walls of the rock are covered with ancient inscriptions and paintings,